Hey again, everyone. We're about a minute out. Let's get this started. Thanks all for being here today, and thanks for your interest in learning with Metrics DAO and learning how to become an analyst at Web3. Welcome to Metrics DAO Academy. We're really excited that all of you are interested and are here today to chat a bit about the course, the live Web3 Analytics 101 course, which is beginning next week on Monday. So first of all, if first of all, yeah, I'd love to get to know all of you. I'm Marina. I'm community lead and DevRel lead at Metrics DAO, and I'll also be teaching some of the course sessions for you. So really excited to kind of get to know you more and what you're interested in and what do you want to learn, what your goals are. So if anybody would like to unmute yourself and say hello, who you are, what brings you to the course. You're more than welcome to right now. And also we have the chat if you'd rather type in this event's chat, as well as this event is recorded. So if you are kind of not comfortable with that, that's totally cool. But would anyone like to just kind of say who you are, what your name is, maybe what your PFP is, what brings you here? To kick things off, I see that we have Patrick here today, and Patrick will be one of your instructors as well for the live course. Patrick, would you like to introduce yourself briefly and who you are and your role in the course?
Sure. First of all, welcome everyone. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to attend this information session. My name is Patrick, and I work as a project manager here, but I will also be teaching part of session one, the introduction to blockchain.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Patrick, for saying hello. Yeah, Patrick is a great instructor. You'll
Marina,
see
back
him.
to you.
Thanks, Patrick. Hope you all can hear me. Awesome. Thanks for your introduction. If anyone else would like to say, who you are, what brings you to the course, how you found about the course, what your goals are, you're welcome to unmute or type in chat. And I see that some people are typing in chat right now. Hey, Paul, your PFP is from Expansion Punks. That's cool. Hey, Pro Fumbler, looking to learn, learn, learn. I love that sentiment so much. We're going to be doing a lot of learning. And things don't really, information flows don't really stop in Web3, as you'll find out. So there's a lot of learning involved in the career analyst overall. So it doesn't stop with the course. Really great to have you all here. Appreciate your intros. I see a couple more people are typing. Let me give you all the chance. And while more people are typing, I'm going to also let you know that we are happy to offer you some of our Xmetric token for being here live today. Xmetric is Metrics DAO's beta token. So it's not monetary. It does not have any financial value. It's not transferable. It cannot be bought or sold. But it shows on chain your early participation, your early involvement in Metrics DAO. So it's really cool in that way. And we sometimes like to reward all of you in our community for like awesome things you do and things you participate in. So I'm dropping in the chat a link to claim some Xmetric for being here live today. All right, more people are typing in the chat. Hey, CVO. Hey, RXX, a data engineer with some experience on Web3. Love that. And I see more people are typing. So I'm going to give you all a chance to say hi. And be sure to drop your information, your wallet in the form to get your Xmetric. All right, just reading the chat. Hey, Naga. Hey, Chloe. I hope I pronounced that okay. If not, please correct me. Hey, Felipe. Welcome. let's go. And BK Naga, hope I said that right, mentioned that you don't have experience in analytics, and that's totally okay. This course is for beginner level, so if you're starting from scratch, you are absolutely welcome. This is a great place for you. I see more people are typing. I'm going to give you all a chance to type because I'd really love to meet you all. And while you're typing, let me also drop some more links. I knew there's lots of links to read and peruse. So here is, because we are sending you some X metric today, here is a little bit more about what X metric is, and kind of a bit about the token, what it signifies, how it came together, and all that fun stuff. All right, I see a couple more people are typing. I would love to hear from you all during this call. And in the meantime, let's chat a bit more about what's in store for you with this course. And hey, Masi, by the way, Masi is an analyst over at Flipside for almost a year, and now here with us to improve the Web3 skills. And Etherhog is an industrial engineer and Web3 DGen. We love a Web3 DGen. Welcome. Awesome. Appreciate you all so much for saying hello. We will have lots more opportunities to chat and meet and discuss everything analytics over the next about 6 weeks. So let's just chat a bit more about the course. Well, first of all, I hope you all are already enrolled and registered. If you are not, you can still sign up before tomorrow. So the deadline to sign up will be tomorrow, January 4th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. And the link I shared earlier, I'll just reshare it again for our live course, is where you need to fill out the form and submit. So be sure to do that. That will give you access to all of the other future steps of the course. And I'll talk about what they are here in a second. But be sure to sign up if you haven't yet before the deadline, which is tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. With that out of the way, let's talk about the course. Let's talk, why, how, some logistics, some fun things to do, and so on. So I shared an announcement before the holidays, and I'm going to post the link for you in our education announcements channel. That's our channel where you will get all of the education news. And that announcement lists everything you need to know right now to get started with this live course. It talks a bit more about your Discord role as an enrolled student. It talks about some pre-work that's optional, etc., etc. So if you ever kind of lose any links that I talk about today, you can head on there. And if you have any questions, you can head on over to the education chat channel, and that's where you can ask us. You can tag me, you can tag Patrick, you can tag like any of our team members, Sandeshes, our community moderator, who is really awesome. So you can ask us anytime. So let's look at where you get started and why. So first of all, as you all probably know because you're here, we'd love to teach you all how to get started as a data analyst in Web3 and solve analytics challenges and, earn partner tokens. Right, let's talk a little bit about what you'll learn in this course and when. So as you can see on the shared screen right now, we will meet for 6 live sessions. All of these are required except the last one. We will start on Monday, this coming Monday, January 9th, and we'll meet every week for a live YouTube session. Some of these will be taught by Patrick or myself. Others will be taught by Sam, and also our other original contributor, OG contributor, Chushen, will come over to teach Dune Analytics. in February. So we'll meet 6 times for a live YouTube session. These are listed over here on the screen. Are looking for the live sessions, you will find them in our Discord in the events tab, which is the upper left corner of our Discord server, where it says events. You'll be able to click on that and click interested on any of the events you like, including these live sessions. So I will go through some, blockchain introduction. We will talk about basic SQL. That's mostly week 1. We will go through some SQL queries, establish foundational knowledge, expand your technical abilities. These few sessions to start with will be on flip side, and the session on February 6th will be with Chushin. Finally, on February 13th, we'll meet for a career development session. We have these every cohort, and we have some industry experts joining us. So in addition, every week, you'll get a live office hour session with us on Discord. These will also be in the events tab, so you can find them, you can register, and let's see how you'll get access to these. So our enrolled students will have special access. So how do you get access to our course? First of all, like I said in the beginning of this call, be sure to register and fill out the form to sign up. That's going to enable all of your next steps. And once you registered, you will have received an email, or you will receive an email after signing up telling you that we will be expecting you to attend the first session on Monday the 9th, which is this coming Monday. So please be sure to attend that session live. And it is already in our Discord events. So if you go up top left corner of the server, segment 1, Web3 Analytics 101. And it'll be streamed live on YouTube, and we will want you to keep a close eye on the chat of that YouTube stream because we will share with you, a way to register your attendance. So that's going to be really, really important. Here's the event I just shared in the chat. And let me explain why it's going to be really, really important. So as long as you're there, as long as you let us know that you're here, you're wanting to learn live, you're active, you've shown up, we will mint you all a badge, which you already have one of them, and I'll show you it in a second. You have an enrolled student badge. We will mint you a badge that is additional, and that shows that you're part of the course, that shows that you're participating, and that will unlock a Discord channel for you. That's for your cohort. That will let you ask all the questions, just your cohort, teachers, Metrics DAO contributors, us. So it's a nice private space to ask all your questions, and that will be gated by your badge. And we use something called Guild to connect your badge to your wallet. And also, as you may have seen, if you haven't yet received an enrolled student badge, which is just a fun thing for you to hold and have in your wallet, then you will. Let me show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see on the screen. It's on Polygon, so it's an OpenSea. You already received one of these. If you haven't, we'll be minting more this week if you already registered. And once you attend the first session, you will get another that lets you into the course and lets you into the channel. So these things are not only cool and on chain and on OpenSea, but also they have functionality on our Discord. And if you graduate, if you complete all our assignments, and I'll talk about the assignments here now, then you'll also get a graduate badge. Let me see if I have a graduate badge here from the previous cohort. There it is. So something that looks cool like this. So that's your incentive. We hope you're here with us until then and you're all graduating. But to do that, you will need to attend all of the live sessions I just showed. And you will also need to complete the quizzes. So each week we'll have a quiz. If you want to kind of get a head start, if you want to start learning right now, there's almost a whole week still ahead. We have a segment 0, which is an optional, the collection of optional materials for you to start familiarizing with the blockchain basics with so if you head on over to the education announcements, you will find segment 0 and you will find something that you can test in all. So this you can already right now. Segment 0, quiz 0 are completely optional, just for you to excuse me, familiarize yourself with the material, just kind of for you to get into
Yeah, so one question came up, which is, will the event be on Discord? No, it will be on YouTube. So the link is in the Discord event itself. If it says where, that's the YouTube link. Okay, any other questions? Okay. As Marina was about to say, there will be office hours. Those are still being scheduled with each instructor. And the exam, the quiz link will be made live as soon as the live session ends. Okay, if you have any other questions, feel free to post in education. All right, if there are no further questions, we're going to wrap up the event. And do apologize on the slight technical difficulty. These things happen.